Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the collage style effect for your videos in CapCut. So here you just need to prepare the clips and then go to the part you want the collage style to happen. Okay, I'm going to go with the here. Now click on the clip and find freeze frame or freeze. Okay, like this. Now copy it, then select the first one and make it as overlay. Now shorten both freeze frame into 0.5 seconds. Like this. Now click on the overlay, go to cutout and remove the background. Click on the cutout stroke, then select the straight cut stroke. This one. Go back, click on the check icon, and now go to filter, still on the overlay. And now find retro category, then select the retro for filter, this one. Click on the check icon. Okay, so now the cutout will looks like this. And now I'm going to add some blurred effect. So go to video effect, lens, find blur, click on a check icon and shorten the blur to only to match the freeze frame. Like this. Click on the effect, click on object and choose main video. Okay, now it's done and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.